Hey there friends on YouTube, my name is Roger with Electronics and Gadgets. If this is your first time here, thanks for stopping by. Hit the like and subscribe please. If you've been here before, thank you. So the next item I want to preview, actually do an unboxing and preview, is the Stanley Portable 1000 peak battery amps jump starter, 12 volt DC power and USB power. So let's get into the unboxing. This is the box it came in, actual Stanley box. So let me get out the knife here and cut the top and open this up. Get this side here, okay. And when we open it up, there was no packing, no nothing. It just was the actual item. There's only two items really in the box: the charger and the cigarette plug adapter charger cord. It says it works with a V8 engine. Okay. And we're going to go over what each one of these mean later on. We have 1000 peak powers, 500 instant, DC 12 volt LED on the side, a warning for polarity, mixing, and rechargeable battery, which we'll go over those here shortly. So you have those things. You can start any car almost without another vehicle. 12 volt USB power source. And picture of what's included in the box. Like I said, there's two things basically in the box. So let's go ahead and unbox the box here. Let me cut this. It's actually got quite a bit of weight to it. Also, it's mainly all battery. So let's open this up, and we have the charger and the small cigarette plug adapter charger. Some instructions which are pretty much meaningless. Throw them away. So let's take the wrap off of it. There's the only cord that's included. That's basically how they shipped it. I'm surprised it didn't have any problems, but it didn't. All it is really is it's an oversized jump starting battery. I actually, when I got it, I thought I was getting a there's the charger for it. You just use a power cord, a power extension cord. When I bought it, I thought I was getting a car air tire charger with it, but it wasn't, so that was my error. But that's polarity. Then we have the USB, then your battery status, and this is low. It has one charge. It actually took almost all night long to charge as well. I had it plugged in all night, and now it's got all greens. And that is the basis of the charger. With the Stanley J509 jump starter and power station, you no longer need to dread roadside emergencies when your vehicle won't start. This compact portable device delivers serious jump starting power with 1000 peak amps and 500 instant starting amps. That's enough power to jump start your car, truck, SUV, motorcycle, boat, RV, ATV, tractor, whatever, all without the need to use another vehicle for assistance. Simply connect the clamps to the battery, turn on the switch, and start your vehicle. The reverse polarity alarm will alert you if there is an improper connection. A high-powered LED light rotates 270 degrees to help you work in the dark. The built-in 12-volt outlet and USB port come in handy to charge your phone and electronic devices. It features an integral charge cube, a 120 charging adapter that allows the Stanley J950 starter to be charged using a standard household extension cord, so you don't need to keep track of a separate specific charging cable. Extension cords are sold separately, which I've had to purchase. For formal performance, the unit should be charged about every 30 days when not in use. Once used, the unit should be charged immediately overnight. Includes a limited 1-year manufacturer warranty, power and charge indicator, all metal power coated clamps. So that's my video on the Stanley J509 jump starter and power station. I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below, and until next time, I'm out.